Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's state the obvious. I have dark hair again. If you are not new here, you know this is just the way it goes. Like, it's just, I dye my hair a lot. I can't be in one place for too long with my hair. So I went dark again. Fall's coming. Awesome. Let's do this. Dark hair, right on. Okay, so in today's video, I am trying out the new Halo Glow Beauty Wands. I have a contour and a highlighter. I have a contour in the shade Light Medium, and I have the Champagne highlighter. Both of these are infused with 2% squalene, so they are great for the skin. Let's read the back of the contour first. A natural looking sculpted complexion is yours with a wave of this contour wand. Oh. The lightweight buildable formula easily blends onto skin. Cool. The highlighter, a spotlight stealing glow, is yours with a wave of this highlighter wand. The lightweight buildable formula blends into skin for effortless illumination. I'm going to tell you right now that those claims are pretty accurate. All right, if you would like to see how I created this makeup look with these two products and some more e.l.f. products, then just keep watching. So it's like 7 o'clock in the evening. I don't usually film right now, but my kids went golfing, and I was doing my hair all day, so I thought I'll film now in the evening when I have some time. So I'm gonna go in with my Halo Glow liquid filter first to use as a base, trying out the Halo Glow wand contour and the highlighter. So excited. I got it in the shade Light Medium, so we'll see. I was hoping there would be more colors there, but I mean, this is the first time I've actually seen it in the stores. It's always sold out, so I took what I could get, and I think it should be fine with the Light Medium. Gonna blend it out with my BK 101 brush, give us some glow. Maybe after I do my makeup, I'll go for a walk or something. Wait for the kids and my husband to get home from golfing. It's actually so like, oh, it feels like fall now. It's, what is it? August 11th, like almost middle of August, and you're just getting that fall feeling now, and I don't really mind it. I used to hate fall. I used to be so sad when summer was over, but now I've grown to love fall and winter and spring, just love every season for what they are, and get outside a lot more. That helps. Even just walking in the winter and the cooler months, just it helps to be outside. If you are one of those people that kind of gets a little bit of the blues once fall and winter come around, bundling up, listening to music definitely helps me. All right, have a little bit of color going on the forehead. I don't know, if you've been here for a while, you know that this is who I am, this is what I do. Probably changed my hair color in the last 4 years 4 or 5 times, back from blonde to dark to copper, shorter, all of it. So this is just another day, another stage in Danielle's hair color eras and journeys. Okay, for concealer, I think I'm going to do my Kosas, if I can find it. I was going to do my Essence, but I think I'm going to do my Kosas. Here it is. So I have this in the shade 3W, and this is just a nice hydrating concealer. Not too much coverage, but I like the way this settles on my skin. It doesn't settle into my lines. let's get into the contour, the Halo Beauty Wand. Halo Glow Beauty Wand contour from e.l.f. in the shade Light Medium. I am the biggest sucker for contour. I love it. I love contour and bronzers. And especially when something new drops at the drugstore, I'm like, I need it, I need it, I want it, I need it. All right, this looks to be a little bit more on the neutral side, so great for contouring. My Conceal and Perfect, the Toffee, I guess it is a little, it's more on the neutral side as well. This is a little bit deeper. So let's see what it's like. Got the same idea, squishing the product up into the fuzzy top, and let's see, I'm gonna go in like this. Oh, yes, that is a neutral tone. Oh, that is a lovely neutral tone. Oh, look at those cheekbones. That is a lovely neutral tone. You know, I've said that a few times. And also blends out beautifully. The Milani has a little bit of a reddish undertone. This is just so neutral. Perfect color. Perfect shade for contouring. Oh, I love that. And very hydrating and giving a little bit of like the halo glow as well. I love the creaminess of it. I think with their putty bronzers, they had some issues with them being on the drier side, but this is blending out like a dream. I am gonna try this up on my lids, up on my brow bone to kind of contour out that big brow bone right there. Yes. The ring light is like brightening up the look. Like in person, I am a glowing, bronzed, middle-aged woman right now. Okay, next I am gonna go in with the putty bronzer because I want to keep with cream products right now because I want to use the Halo wand over some cream products, and also want to stick with more e.l.f. products. I should have used an e.l.f. concealer, but whatever. We'll call this like, no, we won't call it a full face e.l.f. But yeah, I just want to add a little bit of cream bronzer on top of the contour wand, even though I don't need any more bronze, but I want it. Now I'm going to go in with my pinky pink Buddy Blush. This doesn't have the name on it, which is silliness. It should have the name on the bottom. I'm going to pop that up on the apples of my cheeks because I'm going to put the highlighter on top of that going up along the cheekbones. I'm just going to focus this on the apples. Let's try the liquid highlighter. I have not used a liquid highlighter in a long time. Like, it's been a while. I usually just use the powdered one. So I'm kind of excited to try this one out. I got it in the shade Champagne. And I'm having a pain opening it. Ha ha ha. All right, this one is a little like, it's lighter, like Champagne. They had a gold one there. All the blushes were pretty much gone. There was a light blush there. We'll see what we can find once they get back into stock, but I didn't want like the gold one. It just looked too gold. The gold flecks looked, I don't know. I just wanted something more subdued. So squeeze it to the top. I'm wondering if I should, no, we'll just go right on top of the face. Let's just do it. We're glowing already. Let's glow some more. Okay, I like the glow. Yeah, look, like that glow. Like that it's just lighter, just blending into the skin really nicely. Just looks like hydrated skin as opposed to like shimmer on the skin. Like that. Let's put a little on her nose. So I put on some mascara and tight lined, and now I can update my Instagram with my new dark hair. Kidding, not kidding, I probably will when I go for a walk and put on my cardigan because it's cold out. Listen to Taylor Swift and wait for October 27th when she releases 1989, Taylor's version and vaulted songs. I cannot wait. Okay, love these. Love both of these products. The 2% squalene in them is good for the skin. It's giving my skin a beautiful, healthy glow. They blend it out so beautifully. The contour is such a good neutral shade to give you that contour without like being a harsh, you know, like they're there, cheekbones, like just really, really pretty. The champagne highlighter, so gorgeous. I need the blush now. I need the blush to complete the trio of these because they're so, so good. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed my video of trying out the Halo Glow Beauty Wand products. Yes. Okay. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.